In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link using the latest update. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along, whether you're on a computer or using a browser on another device. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a meeting link you can share for classes, interviews, or quick catch-ups. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for your meeting. You can check this by looking at the top right corner of the page. If you see your profile icon there, you're signed in. If not, click that area and sign in with your usual Google account. Next, look at the top right corner of the Google homepage for the small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it, and a panel will open showing different Google services like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. Scroll through this panel until you find the Meet icon. It usually has a small camera symbol. Click on Google Meet to open it. Once Google Meet loads, you'll see the main dashboard. Here's where you can create and manage your meetings. Look for the option that says something like New Meeting, or a clearly visible button that starts a new meeting. Click on that. A small menu will pop up with different options. Instead of starting an instant meeting right away, choose the option that lets you create a meeting for later. This is the key step because it generates a reusable meeting link without immediately turning your camera on or joining a call. After you click this, Google Meet will show you a link. This is your Google Meet meeting link. Now, copy that link. You can usually do this by clicking the small copy icon next to it, or by highlighting it and using your normal copy shortcut. Once copied, you can paste this link into an email, a chat message, a calendar invite, or anywhere else you need to share it. A quick tip: if you plan to use this meeting regularly, you might also want to create a Google Calendar event and paste this same Meet link into the location or description area. That way, everyone invited to the event has the link saved automatically. And that's it. You've created a Google Meet link using the latest interface, and you're ready to share it with anyone who needs to join your meeting.